Hi and welcome back to the Rusty Nuts channel. Today I want to introduce you to one of the other Rusty Nuts. He's going to be heavily involved in this channel. He's got an MG Midget and he's got a Morris Minor. He uses the Morris Minor as his daily, the Midget is more of his fun car. He's currently going through a large restoration piece in terms of the bodywork. But in 2021 and through to 2022, he took the engine completely out of the car, fully rebuilt it, made it look brilliant in my opinion, got it back in and the car's running lovely. So this year's project for the winter period is to get the bodywork sorted. So you'll see more of it on the channel as we go into summer, I'm sure, and some of the other bits in terms of the project that's going on. Got a video coming up for the wheels as well, which is a restoration project on those. But yeah, this is just going to be a montage of video and image footage just to kind of show you what he went through in doing that. It's before we started the channel, so we didn't really record any audio for it or anything like that, but hopefully it'll be interesting to you guys.
Cold, completely cold, no check.
Say 600 RPM.
I wonder if all of the running problems was just because it was blowing from the exhaust gasket.